Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in for this very important video about why is this market correction more painful than the previous ones? And more importantly, what should we be doing now? So what we'll be looking to cover in the next couple of minutes is that why is this market correction looking like much worse than what the previous ones have been? And three things that you should be doing now as an investor. Well, why is this fall more painful? First reason is that we've had a record number of new investors who've started investing in the last 2 to 3 years. They're actually experiencing their very first correction. So it does seem more painful because it's the very first time that somebody is experiencing a drop. Second reason is that we are in an information overload age. So we're being bombarded by social media, by apps, and our consolidated statements. All of these are designed to make you churn your portfolio. Something will look as negative, something else will be shown as positive. So you will buy this, sell that, things like that, purely by highlighting returns, which is also creating a lot of panic currently. Just a quick clarification on the markets. The Sensex and the Nifty, after today's sharp drop, are close to about 15% off their record highs. And small and mid caps are down between 20 and 25% from their record highs, which they did over the last 3-4 months. So I know there is a sharp drop, but every 3-4 years, for different reasons, we do have such kind of corrections. They've happened in the past, and very likely they will happen in the future as well. And what we've seen is that every time after a fall, the markets do recover over a period of time. So please be patient with this and relax. What should you be doing now as an investor? Firstly, as we've always been saying, this is not the place to put in money for the short term. So please don't put any investment in this market which you're expecting back in the short term. Next, focus on what you can control. You can control your goals, your spending and saving habits, your SIPs. Main takeaway, stay disciplined and ignore the noise, be it from Trump in the US or CNBC. YouTubers are a nuisance nowadays, including this is a YouTube, so be careful. Insta, and more importantly, most important, stay clear from neighbors and relatives who've told you to buy defense stocks, small caps, mid caps in the last 6 months. They don't have a clue what they're recommending, but they're just doing that. So be careful of these people. Step 3, remove notifications from all your apps, portals, whatever you use. Checking these values frequently is going to affect the health of the portfolio and your own health. So unless you are someone who checks your house price on a weekly basis or a daily basis, then, well, I need to learn from you. But otherwise, don't be too, you can say, concerned with these daily fluctuations or monthly fluctuations as well. Bonus insight for people, stay away from hot and fancied sectors. Some of them include defense, railways, real estate, renewable energy, so-called EMS companies. They can correct more. I'm not saying that they're bad companies, but they come with rich valuations, so they can correct more. And also stay away from Google clickbaits. Means I see this on a daily basis. XYZ fund has given you 30% in last 3 months. What are you doing with your other portfolio? Our ABC stock has given you 300% in the last 1 year. Why are you holding into your Reliance and HDFC banks and things like that? So please understand, you don't benefit from these past returns. So be mindful of that. Learnings from corrections and crashes. Corrections are temporary, but Indian growth story is long-term. Nothing is permanent, so I'm just saying long-term. Returns after a correction generally do make up for the bad phase. And in stock markets, opportunities are generally disguised as market corrections. So please buckle up and let's look forward to more upcoming opportunities in the near future. Lastly, ending with Warren Buffett, be fearful when others are greedy. That was the case 6 months back, and now people are starting to get fearful. So please start thinking about getting good returns by investing now. Disclaimer, mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Hope you found this video useful, and do give us a like, encourage us, and also share it with other investors who are anxious about the fall currently. Thank you. Good day.